Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be super important because we're going to show you exactly how you can start collecting leads for affiliate marketing so you can start producing results like what you're seeing here. We are on day 11, I believe, of this campaign, and it's now produced over $7,500. And part of the success of that campaign was because I'm capturing names and email addresses. If we jump over here, you can see this is the capture page that I am using. This is the lead form. So the first thing that you want to do when you take people from social media like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, when you take them off of social media, you want to take them to a page that looks something like this, because then you can capture their information and then follow up with them through what's called an autoresponder. What a lot of people do that are inexperienced in online marketing in general is they'll set up a website that has a lot of different links. It has like a contact us, about us. It's got like products and services. There's so many different places that people can go. And especially if you paid for somebody to go to your website and there's a million different links and then they just simply click off, you're losing out on that ad spend. You're losing out on that money that you just invested to get them to your website in the first place. So what we want to do is if people are coming to our website, we want to get their information before they leave, right? And that is the purpose of a capture page. Now, this is an example right here of an autoresponder. So I can actually go to my communications here and I can go to leads and I can click on lists. So you can see this list has 41,000, this one has 2,200, this one has 2,800. These are different lists with leads that I can go ahead and email and boom, make money on demand. So what we want to teach you how to do in this video is exactly how you can start collecting leads so you can follow up with them and start making money through email marketing. So as you guys can see, we start these videos off by showing you the results. And by the way, if you're somebody that's brand new to the channel and you want to copy this entire campaign with the email follow-ups and everything in between, the capture pages, then you want to make sure that you go back to video 1 of this series so you understand what these income streams are and how they're going to make you money online. This is something you guys can do part-time. We're leveraging the affiliate marketing business model. So what you're doing is promoting other people's products and you're getting a cut of the sale. So this income stream, $1,680, right? We started this on January 23rd. It's now February 2nd. And again, you're going to see this build up over time. We're at roughly between $650 and $700 per day right now. So that's just one income stream in our ecosystem that you're going to be able to copy and leverage and get results with. So this income stream, $2,800. This income stream, $805. This income stream, $1,278. And those are just 1, 2, 3, 4 income streams. There is one more income stream, which is my personal YouTube channel that's generating roughly $100 per day as well. So that's over $7,500 just in the past 11 days. And what we're going to do in this video is show you exactly how to duplicate just that. So again, you're going to need a capture page. You're going to need an autoresponder so you can capture those names and email addresses and then follow up with them. And the cool thing about an autoresponder is when somebody enters their information here, that's logged into this autoresponder. And then what the autoresponder can do, this software service, is it will automatically send emails out to your leads on your behalf. Right? So you don't have to log in every day and send out emails. So what we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be, number 1, sending out an email with MLGS. This will be our last email without a capture page. But in the next video, what we're going to be doing is after this page is set up, what you're going to be doing is sending out an email to MLGS, leading people to your newly created capture page. So instead of sending people just straight to an affiliate link, where somebody else is capturing the email, or even in some cases, if it's a sales page, no one's capturing the email. Therefore, there's no value in doing that long term. We wanted to do that initially to see if we can get some, sales right out of the gate. But in the long term, people need to see an offer 6 or 7 times before they actually make a buying decision. And that's why it's important to capture their information so we can actually send out emails and we can reach out to them over time to build that relationship and get them to buy our offers. So having said that, there's a few tools that you're going to need that you already have access to that you're going to leverage. There's one tool you're going to need to sign up for, and this is called GetResponse. So we'll be getting into that in just a second, but make sure if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you tick the bell icon so you're notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. You must tick that bell icon so you can continue this case study series with me. This is a 365-day series showing you guys exactly how to go from $0 to $10,000 per month in the affiliate marketing industry, working just part-time by duplicating my proven success and my proven results, okay, and proven campaigns. So let's go ahead and get started here. So you want to make sure, number one, that you have the funnel builder of the Home Business Academy, right? That was a $25 monthly that you signed up for at the very beginning of this series. If you still don't have it, you're going to need it right now, because we're going to use their funnel builder tool to create this cool looking capture page right here. You guys have probably seen this. You probably came through this exact capture page and it looks something like this. Well, you're going to be recreating it in their funnel builder tool. Now, I created it with a different piece of software I already had access to before the Home Business Academy. But since you guys already have access to it, I don't want you guys to have to pay for another tool, okay? So we're just going to leverage this tool to go ahead and set up our capture page. This took me literally like 15 seconds to create. And you can model off of my capture page that I have right here, and it'll be in the description below. You can just go to abcpayday.com as well. You guys can see the URL right here. And you're just going to copy and paste everything over into their builder. So step one, of course, is to make sure that you have the Home Business Academy. Step two is to go to HBA Funnel Builder Academy right here. Okay, click on that. And then you want to make sure you log into the funnel builder. Step three, you want to make sure that you follow all the steps here. The first steps, the setup, and even the training and FAQ right here. Okay, once you follow all those steps, it's going to be easy for you to create this. I'm not going to reinvent the wheel when all the training that you need is right here. So all you need to do is make your capture page look exactly like this. It's going to be your homework. And then after your capture page is created and connected to a domain, again, all the training is going to show you exactly how to connect it to a domain. Then what we need to do as the last step is we need to set up a GetResponse account. Okay, so in the description below, there's going to be a link. You're going to want to go to that link and you're going to want to go ahead and click on the sign up free button right here. You're going to go ahead, you're going to create an account. You're going to enter your name, email address, password. You're going to click on create an account and you'll go ahead and set up your GetResponse account. And then in the next video, we're going to actually start adding email follow-ups. We can even use some of the email follow-ups from the swipe file that we already have right here. And we can also use some email follow-ups that the Home Business Academy also supplies for us. Okay. Now, of course, the emails will be slightly different. You're going to mix some of these emails with your own personal emails because those emails are going to need to be led back to your YouTube channel and the videos on that channel as well. Okay. So just understand that. So again, step number one, make sure, of course, that you have the Home Business Academy. Step number two, create your capture page, follow the training here. And then step number 3, you're going to go ahead and sign up for GetResponse. And also, just to include in step number 2 as well, is you're going to need to create a simple thank you page, which they're going to show you exactly how to do right here. So for example, my thank you page, when I click on yes, give me instant access, click on this button, it leads me to this page right here. And so what you're going to want to do is create something that looks similar to this. So again, there's going to be a link below. You can go to abcpayday.com. You can reverse engineer and just copy and paste what's on the main page and just paste it over to here. And then also you can model this exact thank you page as well when you create a thank you page within the Home Business Academy funnel builder. Okay, really that simple and straightforward. When that is finished, the next video tomorrow, what we're going to be doing is obviously creating an email follow-up series, and we're going to be putting this capture page, the link, in the description of our YouTube videos, just like I've done as well. So super simple steps for you guys today. The last step that we're going to go ahead and do is log into my lead gen secret. No video today for now until we get this next phase set up. So all the work that you're putting into your channel, you can capture those leads from that YouTube channel and start following up with them. Okay, so what we're going to do though today is we're going to, obviously at the end of this, we're going to go to the email swipes that's below in the description. We're going to copy the subject, if email 7 here. We're going to jump over here. We're going to go to make sure we're logged in at home, and we're going to go ahead and click on create message, select all here. We're going to paste the subject here, and then we're going to jump back over, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to copy this whole entire bit here. Let's see, let me go ahead and just undo that. And we're going to copy this whole entire bit right here. We're going to copy the body, and we're going to go ahead and jump back over to my lead gen secret, and we're going to go ahead and paste it here, and we're going to delete the bolding here, of course, and space this up, and we want to make sure, of course, your name is here, right? So whatever your name is, you're going to put right there. And then your link is going to be right here, okay? That's going to be your Home Business Academy link. Again, after this video, tomorrow, your links will actually, in your emails, a lot of your emails will actually go straight to your newly created capture page, so you can actually capture names and email addresses yourself. So we're going to jump back over to the affiliate dashboard. We're going to go ahead and copy this link here, and we're going to go to MLGS. And we're going to go ahead and paste right here. And we are good to go. Click on perfect timing. And then we're going to go ahead and send out the email. Now mine says, please wait about roughly 4.5, almost 5 hours, because it hasn't been a full 24 hours since our last email, which is fine. So I'll just wait until then and I'll send out my email. You guys do the same thing, but complete all the steps within this video. Get your capture page set up, your thank you page set up. Make sure you have HBA and complete all the steps and send out your email. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and all the resources for this video are below in the description. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. We are off to an amazing start, and we're almost 2 weeks into this campaign already. Can you believe it? Time is going to go by fast, and we're going to start seeing some massive results here very, very soon in the near future. Talk to you soon.